Hey everyone, welcome to another video here from the windowcleaningstore.com. Today I want to show you a new product we've got. It's the Bronze Tough Water-Fed add-on kit. As you can see, we've got the Euro thread on the one side, so you'd have your water-fed brush there, whichever brush you like, Tucker brushes, Elite brushes, Unger, whatever. On the other end, you've got the Bronze Tough pad holder. So it's aluminum construction handle attached to aluminum base, wrapped with Velcro brand Velcro, not the cheap stuff. Lots of surface area for the bronze wool pad to make contact with the glass. This is what you need when you've got a really tough window cleaning job. You've got bird droppings, pollen, bug splatter, that kind of thing. You just need a little extra help. You could just, you're scrubbing away with your brush, cut off the water, pinch the hose or whatever, just flip the pole around for the few seconds it takes to make a good scrub on those tough areas. And of course, you can adjust the reach around angle to whatever formulation you need to make good contact with both the brush and the pad holder, depending on the angle that you are away from the glass. Now, besides being able to hold the bronze pads, you can also use it for your other kind of pads that you might be using on some of your jobs, like the Unger cleaning pads or the fluffy wash pads, even the white scrubby pads, some people call them doodle bugs, works perfect with that too. You can see how it makes a good grip. Like I said, it is Velcro brand, Velcro on these pad holders, and of course aluminum construction, nice and solid. So check it out, thewindowcleaningstore.com, the Bronze Tough Water-Fed add-on kit. Bye for now.